Today I'm cooking delicious stir-fry bamboo shoots with minced pork. Making the stir-fry dish simple. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of preserved bamboo shoots, 60 grams of fresh basil leaf, 350 grams of minced pork, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 6 cloves of garlic, 6 pieces of red bird eye chili, 6 pieces of kaffir lime leaves broken into half, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. All the ingredients are ready. Let's cook. We will cut the red bird eye chili into half, chop the garlic, cut the bamboo shoots, and pluck the basil leaf. The top part here is quite hard and it might be difficult to eat, so I am cutting it off. Then cut it into half, around 2.5 inches in length. Slice the bamboo shoot into strips. So I will continue to cut all of this until it is finished. Alright, all of the bamboo shoots are cut. Next, we are going to blanch it. I have hot boiling water here. Put in all of the bamboo shoots and allow to blanch for about 1.5 minutes. Since this is preserved bamboo shoots and it is pre-cooked, I will blanch it only. Please note that if the bamboo shoots are raw, it needs to be boiled for at least 2 hours to remove the bitterness. Normally, fresh bamboo shoot is bitter. Alright, the bamboo shoots are ready. Switch off the heat, remove it from the hot water and strain it. Put it aside. Switch on the heat to high, add in all of the cooking oil and wait for about 2 minutes for the oil to heat up. Add in all chopped garlic, the cut red bird eye chili, and a few pieces of kaffir lime leaves. Give it a stir for about 2 minutes until it is aromatic. Caution! Stir-frying chili will cause sneezing and coughing. Please be careful. After 2 minutes, garlic and chili are ready. I am removing some out of the pan for now. We will add them later on. Now add in the minced pork. Give it a stir and spread it around the pan. Add in half of the fish sauce and half of the oyster sauce. Stir for about 2 minutes until minced pork changes into a pale color, like this. Next, add in all of the bamboo strips, the balance of the fish sauce, balance of the oyster sauce, all of sugar, and all of the kaffir lime leaves. Stir for about 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are well combined. Now cover the lid and let it simmer in the pan for about 2 minutes. Since we did not add any water, from time to time, we need to come and stir it to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 2 minutes, open the lid, give it a stir. The bamboo shoots are cooked and ready. Now I can give it a taste. Wow, so delicious! More seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it is perfect. Next, add in the basil leaf. Mix for about 1 more minute or until basil leaves are soft and cooked. Lastly, add in the fried garlic and red chili. That is all. Simple and delicious stir-fry bamboo shoots with minced pork is ready. Let's eat! It is really good. This is best served with rice. Very fragrant and a little spicy. The bamboo shoot is crunchy and tasty. The minced pork is tasty and flavorful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified on the next simple home cooked recipe. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.